Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by measuring and combining ketchup, vinegar, and your chosen heat source. This makes a stable base with balanced acidity and sweetness. Once mixed in the saucepan, add sugar, salt, and garlic powder so flavors meld evenly. Stir to dissolve solids. Make sure to taste after heating briefly because heat concentrates flavor. Adjust sugar or vinegar now to correct balance. While the pan warms, set a whisk and a clean jar nearby so you can finish the sauce without delay. You simmer the mixture gently for 6 to 8 minutes so sugars caramelize slightly and the tang becomes integrated. This step deepens complexity. Make sure to stir frequently to avoid scorching and to gauge thickness. Add water 1 tablespoon at a time if too thick. Once aromatic, taste for heat and add extra hot sauce or smoked paprika to introduce smoky notes. If too sharp, counter with a pinch more sugar. Meanwhile, keep sauce on low so flavors continue to marry before cooling. You finish by cooling the sauce to room temperature and transferring it into a sterilized jar. Sealing while warm can create a modest vacuum, but make sure it's fully cooled before refrigerating. Store your sauce up to 3 weeks and shake before each use to reincorporate any settled solids. If the texture separates or is too thin, whisk vigorously or pulse in a blender. If flavor is unbalanced, correct acidity with a splash more vinegar or sweetness with sugar 1 teaspoon at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.